morning, students. So welcome all of you in second lecture of chapter coordinate geometry. So yesterday we discussed basics of coordinate geometry, and then we discussed two question of 3.1, and I told you that you just read the answer from the last pages of your NCERT book, and you will get general idea that where in real life this coordinate geometry used. Now we will discuss about the second exercise. In this second exercise, we are having only two questions. So before starting the first question, again we will revise the basic. This horizontal line is called x-axis on right side, left side x dash axis. This vertical line is called here y-axis, here y dash axis. Now these two lines divide the plane into four parts. So this is called first quadrant, then second quadrant, then third quadrant, and then fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, x and y both are plus or positive, both are of positive value. Second, x minus, y plus. Third, x minus, y also minus. And fourth, x plus and y minus. So this is the main basic of this chapter. So again we are revising this basic so that we can solve the question very easily. Okay, now we will start the solution of first question. So here we are having three parts, and out of these three parts generally we get one question of 1 mark, either in fill in the blank form or write down the answer in one word or one sentence. This type of question you will get, surely you will get. So first part, you have to tell the name of horizontal line. So here this name of horizontal line is x-axis. Then you tell the name of vertical line. So name of vertical line is y-axis. In second part, the question is that what is the name of that which you get by dividing x and y axis in the plane. So what we get here? Quadrants. So answer of second part is quadrant. Now third part, if this x-axis and y-axis are intersecting at a point, then what is the name of that point? This is the third part. So this answer of third part is origin. So horizontal line, x-axis, vertical line, y-axis. Then second answer of second part, quadrant, and answer of third part, origin. In this way you can solve the first question. Surely you will get one part out of. Now we will discuss the second question of this exercise. Only two questions are there. So in this second question, this graph is already given, and in this graph you are having some point. You can see here D point, L point, B point, M point, H point, E point, C point, G point. So in this way you are having some points here, and based upon this graph we are having 8 part of this second question. You have to give the answer of all these 8 part based upon this graph. So in first part he is asking what are the coordinates of B point. So we have to search here B point. This is B. So first we will check value of x -5, then we will check value of y 2. So answer is -5 and 2. Then second part we want to find out the coordinates of C. So we will just find out the C point. Here it is. So value of x 5, value of y -5. So coordinate of C are 5 and -5. Then we will search the answer of third part. In first and second part we want coordinates of B, then coordinates of C. But in third and fourth part, these part are reverse of first and second. Here coordinates are given and we want to find out the point. So I have to find out -3 and -5 here. So x -3, this is, y -5, this is. So these 2 points are intersecting at E point. So answer of third part is point E. Then I have to search 2 on x. So this is 2, -4 on y. So this is -4. So these two are intersecting at G. So answer of fourth part is point G. So first and second part coordinates we have to find out. In third and fourth part coordinate are given. We want to find out the point. Now fifth part. In fifth part already they want that you have to find out abscissa of D. So first we will find out D. Abscissa means x, coordinates means y. So first we will find out coordinates of D. So we will search here D. This is D. So here value of x 6, value of y 2. So coordinates are 6 and 2, but we want to find out only abscissa. So here abscissa is 6. Now in sixth part, we want to first find out coordinate of h. So let us find out coordinate of h, x minus 5 and y minus 3. These are the coordinates, but we want only ordinate. So ordinate is minus 3. So here we want to find out abscissa from G. Here we want to find out ordinate from H. So this is fifth and sixth part. Now seventh part, point L. We have to check where is the point L. We want to find out here coordinates of point L. Coordinates. So L, here you will check that this don't lie on any of the quadrant. First, second, third, fourth. It is not lying on quadrant. It is lying on the y-axis. So yesterday I told you that on y-axis x is 0 and on x-axis y is 0. So here value of y is 5 but value of x is 0. So coordinates are 0 and 5. Then we will find out coordinates of point M. So this is point M. It lies on x-axis. It means here value of y is 0. So value of x minus 3 and value of y is 0. Again we will see coordinates of B minus 5 minus 2. We just check from here. Coordinates of C 5 and minus 5. We just find out from here point C. Then minus 3 and minus 5, minus 3 minus 5 point E. Then 2 and minus 4, 2 and minus 4. This is point Z. So these are first four part. Then here abscissa of D. So we find out D. This is 6 and 2. So this is D. Abscissa is 6. Then H minus 5 and minus 3. So this is H. Here ordinate is minus 3. Then point L. Here it is on y-axis. So x is 0, y 5. So 0, 5. Point M. So here for point M, x is minus 3 and y is 0. In this way, we can find out the coordinate of any of the given points. So tomorrow we will start the third last exercise of this chapter. Then this chapter will complete. Thank you.